Hi guys, it's Gucci. I can't believe I'm doing this, but I'm showing you all of these interesting blotches that I have, and you're probably wondering what they are. I recently had a treatment done because I have some pigmentation from sun damage, and it takes about a week before these little spots scab up and fall off. And I have an event, so I need to speed up the process. So I'm using my SK2 mask, facial treatment, and I'll put this on for about 5 minutes for really nice extra moisture because that helps with this healing process. And you can kind of just massage it on the areas. Pretty. After I do my mask and my collagen activating serum, I'm gonna use a device that I'm obsessed with from Japan called Untitled, and it's a handheld microcurrent combined with a light machine. I am also a makeup artist, which comes in handy sometimes. Cooked, I'm good. It's been 5 minutes. Whew. Now I'm continuing to help the nice Patera moisture penetrate the skin. Thank you, SK2. Next, I have my favorite sponge that I'm gonna wet. The reason I wet my sponge is because it's so much more gentle on your skin. Then I'm using this Untitled. This is the collagen conducting serum. Major. I'm really hoping I'm gonna get some results from my treatment today. Here is my epic Untitled machine. Light. I'm using every light cycle now because I need as much healing and anti-inflammatory properties as possible. So here we go, and I'm turning on the microcurrent. Full blast. It's the most effective device I've ever used. I use it for about 10 minutes on each side. Always using upward motions. I rarely go down. You want to always lift your face. You can only get them in Japan. Where there's a will, there's a way. Whew, feels good. Done. Thank you, Untitled. Now, next step, Augustina Spader Rich Cream. Also really good for repairing the skin. He developed this initially, I think, for people with burns, which is kind of what I feel like I have. Now the process begins. I'm gonna use Vital Skin in 4 and 5 today because of the color of these little scabs. I need to warm up my skin a little bit. So I'm using 4 more of as a concealer. That's pretty amazing because it's almost like covering a tattoo. It's very difficult, but you need a little bit of a warmer tone to accurately cover them. I still have luminosity, so I still want to look fresh and dewy. So this one may be as good as it gets. My super loaded tinted highlight to give myself extra lucency and warmth and a little bit of a frame and definition. Follow my cheek. I just want to look like I have normal, beautiful, nice skin. Don't we all? Okay, lastly, baby cheeks and doo-doo. I want a little bit of freshness. Give my lips a little bit of fullness. Can't believe I just fully exposed myself. Looking so blotchy. Okay, that's it. Thanks guys for watching.